In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward Google Workspace domain emails to your personal Gmail account. This process is quite simple but requires a few specific steps to set up correctly. Let's dive in and walk through each stage together. To begin, you'll need to go to your Google Workspace account. Accessing the admin section is crucial here, so the next step will be to click on the admin console. You'll find this option typically in the menu once you're logged into your Workspace account. Now, it's important to log in using your business email, as this grants you the necessary administrative rights to make changes. Once logged in, look for the Google Apps menu in the top right corner. Clicking this will reveal various options, and from here you'll need to select the admin icon. This step directs you to the key administrative tools for your Google Workspace. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Apps section. Here you'll find a wealth of applications related to your Google Workspace, and our focus today is of course on Gmail. Click on the Google Workspace option and then follow that by selecting Gmail. You might find this interface familiar as it's where many email related configurations happen. Once in the Gmail settings, look for the section labelled Routing. Clicking here will allow you to adjust how your emails are directed, which brings us to the main task of setting up forwarding rules. So go ahead and locate the option for email forwarding and click on it. In the forwarding settings, you'll see a Configure button. Clicking this will allow you to add a new rule. Once the configuration pane is open, select the Add option. Here you'll specify details for your forwarding rule. You'll be prompted to type in the primary email, which is essentially the main email address of your Google Workspace domain. Then you'll need to specify the map to email address. This is where you enter your personal Gmail address, the one receiving the forwarded emails. Ensure that these details are accurate to avoid any future issues with missing emails. After entering the addresses, configure the rule to forward incoming email from your domain to your specified personal email. This ensures that every email that comes to your business account is automatically sent to your personal account for easy access. Finally, once all details are in place, click on Add to save this rule. Double check your entries if necessary. The last step is to click on Save, cementing your new forwarding configuration. With this setup, you'll seamlessly receive all your domain emails directly in your personal Gmail inbox, streamlining your communication needs. There you have it. A quick and easy way to forward Google Workspace domain emails, ensuring everything is right at your fingertips in your personal Gmail.